AI is changing the world, and if you are not using it yet, you might be a little behind. But don't worry, because today I am going to walk you through everything you need to know about ChatGPT, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to make your life easier, more productive, and even build a business. Hi, I'm Jorge, and in this video, I am going to cover how ChatGPT works and why it's different from Google, how to write the perfect prompt with a 4-part methodology that I use, and I'm also going to try some ChatGPT demos so that you can see it working in real life. What I'm hoping that you learn by the end of this video is how to get high quality AI generated responses every time, how to avoid common mistakes that lead to bad AI responses, and how to use ChatGPT to save time, boost creativity, and make more money. So if you're ready, let's dive in. What's ChatGPT and how it works? Most people think ChatGPT is just a fancy Google, but that's completely wrong. Here is the key difference. Google is a search engine that finds information from indexed websites. It also gives you a list of links instead of a complete answer. ChatGPT is a conversational AI. It generates human-like responses. It also uses a deep learning model trained on massive data sets. It understands context, meaning it remembers previous messages in a conversation. How ChatGPT thinks. ChatGPT doesn't really think, at least not like a human. It predicts text based on patterns. It doesn't browse the internet in real time, so some answers might be outdated. However, it can be customized and fine-tuned to produce incredible, useful results with the right prompts. The biggest mistake that I see people making is they type vague prompts and expect perfect results. Instead, you need a structured prompting method, and that's exactly what I'm going to teach you next. In my opinion, the key to unlocking ChatGPT's full potential is knowing how to talk to it correctly. So here's a 4-part methodology that I use to get high quality responses every time. I call it the RCMR method. So part 1, R for role. Give ChatGPT an identity. ChatGPT performs better when it knows its role. Instead of asking, help me write a sales pitch, try this example. Act as a senior marketing expert. I need a persuasive sales pitch for a startup launching a new eco-friendly water bottle. Keep it concise and engaging. Part 2. C for context. Be specific. AI needs background information to generate accurate responses. The more detail you provide, the better. Try this example. Act as a UX consultant. I am designing a website for a fitness coach who targets busy professionals. What layout and features should I prioritize for conversions? Three, M for methodology. Define the output style. AI can write in different formats: bullet points, step-by-step, guides, comparison, etc. Tell it exactly what format you want. Try this prompt. Summarize atomic habits in a 5-bullet point list with actionable takeaways. Part 4. R for reflection. Ask for improvement. Sometimes AI-generated responses aren't perfect, so you can refine them. You can tell ChatGPT to expand, simplify it, or even make edits on a response. Try this for an answer that you want to make better. That response is too complex for beginners. Rewrite it in a simple language as if explaining to a 10 years old. Try this framework and your prompts will go from meh to mind-blowing. Now, let's see ChatGPT in action. If you're watching this, I recommend you open your computer and ChatGPT and follow along. So let's say that you want to create content. So this first prompt is for content creation. You want to generate high quality blogs idea. So I will use this prompt. Act as a content strategist. Generate 10 blog post ideas for a personal finance website targeting millennials. If you make a typo, it's fine. It will work anyways. So let's see what it says. So here are 10 blogs ideas for personal finance website targeting millennials. Budgeting and savings, investing and wealth building, debt management, side hustle and income growth, lifestyle, money mindset. I will need to read all of this, but I think it's a really good answer. This next prompt is for AI-powered productivity. Let's say you want to create a daily planner. So this is the prompt that I will use. I will say, I I'm a freelancer working 6 hours a day with 3 client projects. Create a time blocking schedule that maximizes productivity. And we hit enter and let's see what comes. So here's the answer that ChatGPT is providing. It says, here's a time blocking schedule optimized for productivity while managing 3 client projects in a 6-hour workday. This is good. So it's literally giving you different ideas, different perspective on time. If you are not using this, now you have another way to tackle this. So from 9 a.m. to 10:30, you can do client 1 work. So did focus on this client, then from 10:30 to 10:45, you take a 15 minutes break. Then client 2. Wow, look at this. Not bad. Prompt number 3. Let's say you want to use AI for your business, for an email. So this prompt is to write a compelling sales email. So this is what I will do. I will say, act as a copywriting expert. Write a persuasive cold email for a web design agency offering a free consultation. Let's hit enter and see what we are getting. So we get a subject. That's good. It's even proposing a subject line, and here is the body of the email. Hi, there is a blank space for the first name of the person that you're emailing this to. I hope you're doing well. I came across with blank for company name, and I was impressed by what you do. So this is not bad, eh? And you can save some time doing this for your business. Number 4, we are using ChatGPT, the AI, for research. This case, we want to summarize complex information. Let's try this. Summarize the main points of Steve Jobs' 2005 Stanford commencement speech in 5 key takeaways. So let's hit enter. I want to take the moment while this is thinking to let you know that sometimes if the platform, if ChatGPT doesn't have information about the speech, what you can do is go on another site, look for the speech. You can look for the script of it. If you go on YouTube, for example, you can copy all the script and then you can paste it here in the text box, and you can paste it and then ask ChatGPT to give you a summary, and it will do it. I have done that a lot. So in this case, that wasn't necessary. But here is what ChatGPT is throwing at us, and It looks really good to me. So here are the 5 key takeaways from Steve Jobs' 2005 Stanford speech. First takeaway, connect the dots looking backwards. Second takeaway, love what you do. Third takeaway, failure can be a stepping stone to success. Takeaway number 4, your time is limited, so don't waste it living somebody else's life. Good. Stay hungry and foolish. That's the takeaway number 5. So here you go. Now you know how to summarize complex information. Another way how we are going to use ChatGPT right now is to study anything faster. Something that is great about ChatGPT is that it can simplify things that are so complex and large and heavy into small pieces. For example, let's try this so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Explain the basics of cryptocurrency, to a beginner in simple terms with examples. So let's hit enter and let's see what ChatGPT says to us. So here is providing all the information. So let's go back to the top and see cryptocurrency basics for beginners. Cryptocurrency is a digital money that exists only on the internet. Unlike traditional money like dollars or euros, it doesn't have physical form. So it also provides information on how does it work, the key features of cryptocurrency, some examples of different cryptocurrency that it's out there, how do you use it, is it safe, some pros and cons, and final thoughts. So this looks really good to me. I hope that you can use any of these prompts or even create your own to really see and explore the magic of ChatGPT and implement it into your business or your daily life. To give you more tips and give you more about ChatGPT, I want to provide you with these hacks that will take your skills to the next level. Hack number 1, custom instructions. When you're using the Plus version of ChatGPT, which is the one that you pay $20 a month, it provides you with a customized ChatGPT. If you click here, you will be able to tell ChatGPT how you want it to call you. You can tell ChatGPT what you do. You can tell ChatGPT traits that ChatGPT should have. And you can basically customize it as much as you can. You can tell ChatGPT how you want to respond to you, the tone of voice. You can also let ChatGPT know about your audience. So you can start playing with this and really make it work for you. This other hack is great for a personal tutor. I wish I had this when I was at school. It would have made my life so much easier. So let's say you can ask ChatGPT to quiz you on any topic. Let's try this. Create a 5-question quiz on UX design principles with answers. Let's hit enter and let's see what it says. So here you go. It gives you questions, 5 questions like we asked, and it's also providing options with the answers. So this is a great way to study if you want to prepare for a test or whatever you need to study on. Another hack, and it's great for any creator or anyone struggling with ideas. I use this all the time, and it's for brainstorming. So imagine you're struggling with ideas. This is exactly what I would ask ChatGPT if I needed help. I will say, act as a business consultant. Give me 5 creative side hustle ideas with minimal startup costs. Here are 5. This is good. This is great. Another hack that you can use ChatGPT for is to help you rewrite things. It can be an email, it can be a post, it can be whatever you need to rewrite. Basically, you add it here on the text box and you give it the actions that you want. So you can say, for example, make this social media post more engaging and concise. And below here, I will post the post that I want ChatGPT to rewrite. Another way how you can use ChatGPT is to create visual concept. I will suggest that you stay away from creating a logo with this, just because it's not really going to imply all the principles that it takes to create a logo. However, this is a great way to have a sense of where you want to take your idea visually speaking. So let's try this. Describe a modern logo concept for a minimalist coffee brand. Let's see. So here it's giving me a concept name. It's giving me ideas for the logo, the typography, also the color palette, the composition, and some variation on the type of logo that you will need. If you need an icon, a word mark, a secondary logo. So this is really great. Let me see if it can actually provide me with images so that I can see. Thank you. This is great. Can you create images for me to see this visually? So it's thinking, it's creating the image. Let's see what it comes up with. And here you have it. Here is a visual representation of the modern minimalist brand logo concept. And it's giving you ideas, colors, so you can take this and provide it to your designer so that you can refine this and make it very magical and special and unique for you. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use ChatGPT like a pro. Now my question for you is, What's the first thing you want to use ChatGPT for? Leave it in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more tips and check out my other videos. See you next time.